I'm old school, and welcome to Vintage Harleys Revived on the road. I decided to head up to Mama Tried this year. I didn't overthink it. I just got in the truck and went. Now, there's always a lot going on at these shows, but I wasn't there for the noise. I came to see what would actually stop me. The bikes that feel honest. The ones that are built to be ridden. So I picked 5. And here are the 5 that I found. Anybody can build something to draw a crowd. But I've always been more interested in the bikes that can earn the miles. Underneath all the lights and noise, it still comes down to the work. There's a lot happening around a show like this. Big names, big crowds, plenty of distractions. But at the center of it, same as it's always been, are people building motorcycles because they have to. Because something in them won't leave it alone. And if you look past that noise, you can still feel that. Same goes for life. Pay attention to what's real, and everything else tends to sort itself out. I'm old school. Be good to yourself, and I'll see you next time on Vintage Harleys Revived.